morning, welcome to the Mountain Projects family. I would like to extend our warmest welcomes from our GA team to you. Our GA team is here to help you with any needs or concerns that you have. Our GA team does everything from compliance to payroll, AP processing, and any financial need that program managers have. Please feel free to come and see us with any questions and concerns you may have.
Hi, I'm Peter Budd from Mountain Projects. Good to have you here in this orientation. Mountain Projects is a wonderful company to be involved in. It has done so much good for so many people for so many years. Today, the plan is to let you see a little bit about what the different departments in Mountain Projects are involved in and the things that we do.
Congratulations on being part of Mountain Projects family. You'll find that you're affecting families and people in a way that you've probably never had before. It's just a great place to be, and you'll feel it in your heart that you're making a difference in somebody's life almost every day.
Here in food service, we provide meals for our Head Starts in Haywood and Jackson County, and also senior meals for our 3 senior food sites in Waynesville and Canton and Maggie Valley. Our project here is to provide hot meals to our Head Starts, and we do that by coming in early in the morning. We fix hot food and pan it up. It goes inside of these vans that we have and then gets delivered to the Head Start Center. They get to enjoy hot lunches every day. We also deliver breakfast items to them that they prepare right there in the Head Start building. Our senior program also receives hot meals from us. We prepare them here on site, also put them in insulated containers, and deliver them directly to the senior sites where our seniors come every day and get to enjoy those. Another part of the food service department here is frozen meals. We make frozen, ready-to-serve meals that are sealed. They get taken to different sites. We use them as part of our Healthy Opportunities program, and those get delivered to homes where individuals can microwave them or bake them in their oven, either one. We also deliver some frozen meals to the Towers in Waynesville, which is a senior program out there, and have also used our frozen meals in some emergency meals also for folks that had emergencies. You'll learn today in other videos of other departments about all of the different helps that Mountain Projects offers to the individuals that are out there. It's just a wonderful organization to be a part of.
My name is Cy Simmons. I am the director of Haywood Public Transit. We conducted 36,000 trips last year, 11,000 trips on our urban side. Haywood Public Transit serves primarily Haywood County. We do conduct trips in Jackson and surrounding areas such as Buncombe County. But primarily we do medical trips, employment trips, general public trips for Haywood County. We feel good about what we do because we wake up every day and we help others and get them where they need to go and make sure they're safe. Our drivers have relationships with the people that they transport. They see the same faces every day, every week. They care for these people. They go above and beyond sometimes to make sure these people are taken care of in the right way. So everything about Mountain Projects and Haywood Public Transit is relationship based.
I retired from one job and I wanted to do something to help the county, and I did not realize so many people need transportation, and it's a joy to me to be able to help them, and I just love it. You meet people and a little pat on the back goes a long way for some people that don't get out. So I'm thankful that I can do this.
My name is Vivian Baumgartner. I work in the weatherization rehab department. We do a lot of things to houses, from roofs to plumbing to electrical, weatherization. We have at times 14 to 15 different funding sources, and it depends on their income as to what program they might qualify for, whether they own or rent. There's different guidelines for everything we do. So, but this department is the department though that, like I said, we do septics, plumbing, wells, water well systems, just a lot of work on houses. This year, September, I will be at Mountain Projects for 40 years. It's a lot like family here. I feel like it is. Everybody kind of works together. You know, like if one person needs help, then they'll call another department, you know, and then that department might call another department. You know, like for instance, Cy called me the other day about a person that needed a ramp. And so I was able to get that worked out to help his person, you know, be able to get in and out of the van easier. This job that we have here, the job we have in rehabilitation, is a fulfilling job because we help people, and that's what Mountain Projects is all about. All the programs at Mountain Projects, that's what they're about, is helping people help themselves. And in this program, you know, somebody's got a leaky roof, they'll have buckets sitting in the floor, and you know, it's just, like I said, it's a great place to work because we help people.
I'm Libby Ray. I am the Prevention Services Manager at Mountain Projects. Mountain Strong is a division of Mountain Projects that prevents substance misuse, promotes resilience, and supports wellness in communities across Western North Carolina. We believe that substance misuse is preventable and when left unaddressed can increased risk for things like substance use disorders and addiction. So we really advocate for going upstream and preventing problems before they ever occur. And then we have a lot of programs. We support and promote youth prevention education across the region in schools and whatnot. We actually offer a class, an alcohol and drug prevention class called Prime for Life. We offer that several times a year. We also do communications campaigns, so you might see or hear our ads in communities across the far west. We sometimes can do what we call secure storage initiatives. So we might make lock boxes available for people to securely store prescription medications in their homes. We might even sometimes have fridge and cabinet locks so people can securely store alcohol and help reduce youth access. And then the last thing I guess I would say is, as far as the work that we do, there are three of us, and we're kind of in different places across the far west. I'm here in Haywood, Mark is in Silva, and Lori is in Hayesville. And a lot of what we do too is working with other organizations in the communities we serve. And I'll just say, you know, it's really important to me because, like I said, I've seen what happens when problems do occur, and you know, if we can prevent that and help people stay well, that's always just the best thing. It's all really important. It makes our community a better place to live, and I think we all want that. We're all working towards that, making our communities a better place.
Hi, my name is Jan Plummer. I'm the program coordinator for Get Covered WNC, and we help people year-round get enrolled in health insurance on the marketplace, and also we help people get enrolled in Medicaid expansion that began December 1st of 2024. My job means so much to me, and I think those members of my staff, because we really get to see the benefits of health insurance on someone's life. People that have been without medication, have been undiagnosed with chronic diseases, have been poorly managing their diabetes, or have life-threatening conditions with insurance can get the medical help that they need. And now with Medicaid expansion in North Carolina beginning in 2024, well, actually December of 2023, we've been able to see 600,000 more people get enrolled with health insurance than we've ever had in the past. I really like helping people because I feel like it's my duty to do so. I grew up in a family that they were good neighbors. We helped one another out. I grew up in this town, Waynesville, and I get such a feeling of peace and satisfaction knowing that someone that before was unable to get the help that they needed for whatever it may be. If it's not health care, maybe we help them get access to food. Maybe we help them get access to transportation, for child care. And it's just all a part of me and being a servant, I guess. I always have been one. And working in Mountain Projects is a very rewarding way to accomplish things for other people that need them. Mountain Projects is an agency, it's what we call a community action agency. Community action agencies were founded in 1965 by Lyndon Johnson for the war on poverty. And since that time, Mountain Projects has been helping people sustain their lives by supporting the social determinants of health, which are safe housing, food, nutrition, education, such as Head Start, transportation, and then our program was added under this roof to help people get health insurance. Our board itself is made up of people from the public that we serve, from members of county and town governments, and also the third part is members of other social service organizations such as DSS or the health department. So because of that, we are very connected to our community partners, to the public. We're able to better assess the needs of our community, and having Patsy's many years of experience here makes for any program that you come into to have a really good baseline for getting started and succeeding.
Good morning, I'm Deanie Edwards. I'm the manager here at Silva Linings, a resale store in Silva. Well, Mountain Projects, everything in the store has been donated very generously. We sell clothing, which is our number one seller, more ladies obviously. We sell shoes by the bukus, jewelry, hats, you name it, housewares, furniture when space permits. All this is to donate or to benefit, help people help themselves in the community. I guess we do help fund daycares, Head Start, food programs, transportation, quite a bit of things. Silva Linings here is a resale store where everything has been donated. It benefits Mountain Projects, and we support Mountain Projects, all the projects that they do. Well, working here, we all feel like it's a little family, and we all feel like we could go somewhere else and make a higher amount, but we want to work here because we're benefiting the community. We get to see people's faces light up when they find just a special treasure, and they can clothe their children for less than themselves. And sometimes we give items free to obviously in need people when they come in. So it just makes you feel good about yourself to work here.
Senior Services offer in-home programs to make sure that seniors can stay at their homes, congregate programs where they can go to one of our 3 sites to have a meal, senior companions where we match seniors with other seniors and keep them again active and in the home, foster grandparents where we have seniors go into the preschools and help children that may need a granny. Our Senior Resource Center is we are always offer programs for trips like we are in the van, and bingo, anything that keeps seniors active. Our SHIP program, Senior Healthcare Insurance Information Program, where we teach seniors how to deal with Medicare. Our Insure program, where seniors can get insure for a lower price. And Project Lifesaver, where we put a bracelet on you if there is somebody with Alzheimer's or dementia, where we can also keep track of them. And many other programs. They're all there to keep seniors active. Our senior services really affect many seniors in different ways. They provide them comfort, they provide them activities, and they provide them socialization. And again, probably socialization is the biggest thing. Many people don't get out and do anything in the community, or they don't see anybody. So going to a nutrition site or going on a trip or maybe coming to a bingo is socialization for them. And that is one of the biggest things for senior services. Senior services with Mountain Projects means so much to me because we're affecting seniors' lives. And we're helping them and keeping them active. And to me, that's a big thing.
My name is David Porter and I work for Mountain Projects. I am manager of one of two of the resale stores that we have. I manage Mountain Projects Resale in Waynesville. Mountain Projects Resale is a resale store that resells merchandise that is donated throughout that the community donates to us, and we resell it, and where the money stays in Haywood County, helping other organizations. We offer, we have used furniture, we have clothing, we have linens, shoes, clothing for all ages, children on up to adults. We have kitchenware, housewares. I think it is important that all the money stays in Haywood County, helping the local people here in Haywood. When they had the flood a couple years ago, a lot of people were put out of place, and the store wasn't open at that time, but it would have been able to help people help get their homes back in order, and possibly they could have bought merchandise from the store to replace some of their losses. I enjoy managing the store, but it's the part I like is just being able to help the people in need that come in and really need some assistance. Just think that the Mountain Projects does a lot in the community, and that they can that the store, the money that the store raises with the sales, where it stays and helps everyone in the community. I spent 23 years in emergency services, and when I retired, I just wanted to still stay in that field as far as helping people in the community. I've also worked in the retail business off and on throughout my life, so I just enjoy the customers and coming in and helping them with their needs.
My name is Christy Paxton, and I'm the Head Start Early Head Start Director for Mountain Projects. I've been with the agency 29 years. I started out as a center supervisor, and then I have held several different positions within the administrative office, and then I've been the director for approximately 3 years. 3 years come April. Head Start is so special in my heart because of what we do with children and families. We serve 121 Head Start slots, which is preschool, and 56 early, which is infants and toddlers in Haywood and Jackson County. Our program is so beneficial to families because we look at the holistic approach. So we're working with families regarding parenting skills. We're looking at health make sure that each child has a physical immunizations. We're doing hearing screenings, we're doing vision screenings, we're doing developmental screenings, just to get every child ready to go into kindergarten when they turn 5. We work with community agencies regarding children's well-being. We serve children from the foster care system. We serve homelessness families. We also serve a lot of our children are being raised by grandparents. Head Start matters to me because the growth that we see in families, with the growth from learning parenting skills, the growth that we see in children as they transition from our program into the school system when they turn 5. It means that we have made a difference in our community. We've made a difference in that home with that child. We've made a difference for that parent to help them gain skills that they may never have had the opportunity to gain. They can connect with parents that are within their little social community of the classroom or for the center. And looking at the longevity of our program, we've been in existence since 1965, and we keep growing and growing, and we want to be able to carry our program on into the next generation for families as we transition out. As children transition into kindergarten, we share information with the local school system about how our children are doing. We also get insight of what we might need to be working on for the next year. So we look at data throughout the year when we're looking at developmental milestones that children have gained. We are able to make a difference as they transition into kindergarten to show that we are helping each family gain those skills. Children in our program gain social emotional skills, being able to work with other children in small group settings, being able to sit in a group when the teacher is leading a whole group activity. Studies show that that you can teach skills in conflict resolution up to middle school, and after middle school, those skills are already formed within a child's brain. And so, one of our goals is to be able to help that children and family set goals, have a routine, have a structured environment. That way, when they do transition into kindergarten, they have those skills that will make them successful. We work with parents if children are exhibiting challenging behaviors, how we can let them look at the lens of that classroom and then through structured environment to carry that over at home. And that has made a difference with some families. Is one thing I think is very prideful for us to be a benefit to our community is that we are getting children ready and able to go as they transition. We're also working with parents so when they transition, they'll have the skills and the abilities to help that child be successful in school, but also be successful in life. I am so thankful to be able to serve the Haywood and Jackson County families, to work with children, to work with parents, to be able to show that our community is striving, our community is working together to make sure that our children are ready and able to go into kindergarten. Working in our Head Start program is so rewarding, to be able to watch children grow. It is also very hard work because you are making a difference in the lives of children, and that is so special. Being a teacher in a Head Start or early Head Start classroom is so rewarding. You get to see children's imagination grow. You get to see children's developmental skills grow. You get to see children's social emotional development grow. And to see that from the beginning of when they first enroll in our program to when they graduate or transition into kindergarten is a time for you to reflect what a difference you've made in the life of a child. Working in a Head Start program is very emotionally rewarding too. It's that connection that you build with children and families. It's that connection that you build with your teaching staff, with your center supervisor, with the community. And being a part of that family is so important to being a part of any family. Head Start is a family. Centers are families, and so we want to support and nurture those families, and it's so rewarding. Mountain Projects is an agency that is very community oriented. We support all parents in our Head Start program. We support parents that are in the housing program. We support parents that might need emergency assistance. Having that type of relationship and agency is very beneficial to families, because one application can, when the intake officer works with one family, when they do an application with Mountain Projects, they talk about all the different benefits of all the different programs that Mountain Projects has to offer. One of them is the Head Start program. So they might not know about Head Start until they do the application, maybe for housing or weatherization. And then the intake officer talks about what a great program we have for children and for infants and toddlers and preschoolers. And so having that ability to have that type of agency has been a benefit to everyone involved, through our agency, through our community, through our Head Start program. One of the goals that Mountain Projects has is for families to be self-sufficient and independent based on our programs that we offer, and that is so important. And when you see families that achieve their goals, if it's self-help housing, if it's working on their GED and receiving it, if it's finding a job that they are so satisfied with, then you know that you have made a difference in the life of that child, life of that family, and the life of that parent.
Congratulations on being part of Mountain Projects. You'll find Mountain Projects is different than about any other job you've had. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, Mountain Projects is helping people help themselves in the community.